Hello everybody, Anna Vanila is back with a couple of new videos for you to see and enjoy them. It's been a while since I was online because unfortunately I have been very ill and obviously I couldn't do many videos. So I did want to make videos that are fun, and when you don't feel great is when the videos do not become as funny, as fun as you would expect to. So I thought I'm going to film once again when I feel so much better. And here I am today doing so. And I hope you are here to watch me and to subscribe and watching my videos, and also a fan on OnlyFans, on my channel on OnlyFans. So I hope you can join me on this journey and have fun. This is my new pajama that I got from a fan. So thank you very much, my fans, for all this pleasure that you are giving to me. And I truly like it. I sleep so much better with it, and it makes me think of you, my fans. Especially when you are the only fan on OnlyFans at Anna Vanila. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and become a fan on OnlyFans.